All right, there we go. 2026 Colt Shorty IC2. And yeah, man, this is one of my newest builds, one of my cleanest. I'm super happy with it. Shout out to everybody who had a hand in building it. Let's get into it. All right, up top, let's start running the Colt crew bars in 9.65 rise, and they came 30 inches wide, and I cut them down to 28. For grips, I'm running the Brock Rayford Odyssey grips, and going down, I'm running the Boyd Hilder Odyssey stem in coffee colorway, and that's a 53 millimeter reach and a 30 millimeter rise, 34, I forget, but that's clean. That's super clean, and we'll get down to that in a minute. But moving down, I'm running the Odyssey integrated headset. Super smooth, no issues on install. And coming down, we got the Odyssey R25 forks. Going with the I went with the steeper forks just to go with the head tube. I believe the head tube angle is 75.5, and just, you know what I mean, just keep it flowing, keep it flowing. All right, front wheel, I got the Odyssey Stage 2 wheel, and for the rubber, I got the Chase D-Hart, Colt Chase D-Hart 110 PSI tires. See the tread on there, that's fire. Also running the Colt PC butter pegs. And all right, coming down, I got the Brock Rayford Odyssey corduroy pivotal. It's pretty soft actually, and it's very sleek. See if I can get to a little angle there. Real clean, super happy with that. And I got it on the Odyssey pivotal C-post, which is kind of like a matte finish, I guess you would say. All right, moving down, got the Colt crew cranks in 175 or 170. I'm tripping. And I got the Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I don't know if these are the Tommy Dugan ones or the other ones, I forget, but Odyssey twisted PC pedals. And for the sprocket, we got the Odyssey Boyd Hilder 30 tooth sprocket, which is super clean looking. Definitely matches the stem, and that's why I went with the chrome bars, set that off. Running the KMC half link chain. Not a bad chain, holds up. I don't ride that hard though. So moving down, let's get into here. My bottom bracket, I got the Odyssey integrated or whatever bottom bracket. That's pretty smooth. You know what I'm saying? All right, back wheel, move that up. Back wheel, I got the Odyssey quadrant, C5 quadrant. My bad for the filming there. Pretty sweet. And that's a complete wheel. It's complete, just like the front wheel is the Stage 2 complete wheel. And I have the Cinema. If anybody's wondering, I got the Cinema rear hub guard. And also what's cool, man, look at this frame. Let me give y'all a little dive into this frame, man. Such good work. Shout out to Colt. Shout out Odyssey. Like, look at this. And what's so sick is just the color, the blue and the orange, and it just looks great. Let's get in here. Check these out. Got the coat up top here. And I believe it's underneath down there. We'll flip it up, but I'm gonna give you all a nice little preview of the hub sound here. So hang on. See if we can get that going. All right, and that about does it for my 2026 Colt Shorty IC2 21.25 inch top tube. Yeah, she's clean. Sorry for the long video, but I seen a lot of people posting up their new bike builds, and you know what I mean, a couple guys are running this frame. Stoked.